In this video, we are going to be talking about WebdriverIO custom commands. Custom commands allows you to bundle a sequence of commands and call them once. They are a convenient way to extend the browser object with new functionality that helps to reduce the duplication of code. The WebdriverIO command for this is addCommand, and so it allows you to extend the browser object with an instance of your own set of commands. You can read more about it on the WebdriverIO page for custom commands. The example that I'll be showing you today, we're going to be using wait for displayed and click. So we're going to be going to the internet page, and when we click add element, we should see the delete button. And when we click delete, then it should no longer exist. In our test, we're going to go to our browser URL, add remove elements. We're going to have our element add button, and we're also going to have our element delete button. We're going to click on our add button, then we're going to wait and then click the delete button. And at the end, we're going to assert that the delete button no longer exists. So if you realize, we have browser.wait then click, and we are passing in our delete button. This is how we are calling our custom command. So our browser.addCommand, which is how we pass in the command, we pass in the name of the command wait then click, and we are accepting an element. We're using that element to say wait for exist, wait for displayed, and then we click it. So that is our browser.wait then click custom command that we are adding. And that is it. So to recap, we say browser.addCommand, we pass in the name of our custom command, we accept any parameter that we need to, and then we do whatever functionality that we want to do. In this case, we're doing wait for exist, wait for displayed, and then we are clicking. You can do other things in your custom command. And so if we run our test, it will click on the button, wait for delete to be shown, click on delete, and wait for it to no longer exist. We can also have our custom command outside of an individual test so that we can use it in any test that we want. To do that, we're going to create a commands file. And in our commands, we're just going to say module.exports. We're going to say wait, then click, which is our custom command name. And we're going to do the same thing. Accept some elements, wait for it to exist, wait for it to be displayed, and click. And you can add other commands in your commands file. Custom commands need to be defined before its first use. Therefore, we can add them to our config file in the before hook. So we would import our command file, and then we would go to our before hook, and we're going to loop through each command and add them to our browser addCommand so that they are now a custom command for us to use. Our custom commands will be used in the same way in our test. We'll be doing the same thing as before. We just now have it in a separate file so that we can use it in any of our tests. If we run our test again, it should pass, do the same thing, click on delete, verify that it is no longer there. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one.